I mean, we can bait it up.
I wish I had green onion.
I want to play under their power. I have no work with you.
What song is this? It's so catchy.
What's up? You okay?
Out of my mind, 3 eyes. It's interesting.
Yeah. Stanford. Okay. Bottom should be safe here. I'm gonna stay one more way from the stuff. They can look for a swap after.
Ow. Look at that salmon.
The Bronc could be mid, okay?
Look at how flaky that salmon is. Look how flaky.
They want to swap here. Maybe. I mean, I was just walking in here. Graves. Ash is 5. That should be fine. Ash is mid and bottom is good. I'm running bottom. See what they do. They want to play for Hail. I think we bottom is not good right now. I think we can play. I think. Okay. Slowly. Oh. Good. It's fine. Bottom wave is so good though, for the most part. The 80 is really doing the game. As long as we can hold the top. We can't stab Malphite, by the way. They'll have a first tempo, but if they stay, they will be super weak on the map. This guy ulti. I think I can. Oh, I can't. They can't take the full tower, but.
Yes, I've made smoothies before.
I mean, they're 80 is Zoom though, so. He's mid. Yeah, it's 3v3 top, by the way. It's one. It's a winning fight. All no flash. Just fight. Just go. Everyone no flash. crazy, bro.
I'm making matcha banana bread. Matcha
These trying to sell
chocolate
it?
banana bread.
They all flashed when I kept going. All three.
Mm.
I'm resetting. Let's see. I can't be silent here, I think, so.
Do you speak a bit? Yes, I do.
It's okay. I think if they start it, I can hope.
The boyfriend is in
Just take top farm.
scrims.
Just take top farm.
He is a professional League of Legends player.
I think.
And scrims started today.
Just try to hold vision as long as possible. I think they're worth
We
it
are
too.
definitely never
Yeah,
gonna have
no,
this happen again because I feel so bad.
I really don't think they can just start it though.
So, I think what's gonna happen is like he's gonna move his setup in my room.
Just make time.
What's the most romantic things he's done for
Just
you?
make time. I'm poking this guy though.
He writes really good cards. He's an acts of service kind of guy. Wait, no,
Hey, Art.
guys, no, I didn't mean it.
Sorry.
I didn't, guys, no lulls in the chat, please. It was just, I stalled because I haven't slept yet, okay? I haven't slept. I can't think right now, okay? Jesus. Y'all making me think right now.
Chocolate is really good. What is it?
I have never given him food poisoning, no.
Just take your set. It's not worth it.
Oh, Anderson, thank you so much for the Twitch Prime. Welcome. Thank you.
1680 jungle stuff. Our top wave is doomed here.
I don't live with him, but just for the quarantine, he is staying with me. Does he cook too? Barely, no.
Thank you.
Every time he does cook, I always I have to run into the kitchen to inspect. Because I get so paranoid he'll ruin my pants and stuff, which has happened. Subak, thank you so much. Thank you so much for 8 months. How are you? What team does he play for? Immortals. Never understood how food poisoning is so common in the US. I don't know, man. Why no sleep? Just overthinking at night times. You made salmon or salmon eggs? I made salmon. Salmon with tofu and tomato and eggs. It's like a stew. It's really yummy. It feels a little healthy right now because I used a leaner cut of salmon. The best way to have this dish is with salmon belly, super fatty, so that it's it matches the texture more because tofu is soft, the tomato is soft, and then the salmon belly is ultra soft, so it works well. But since I used a leaner cut of meat, it just it still tastes good. It just feels healthy. Feels like ultra healthy. Yes, it is like Chinese tomato egg. Correct.